Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I never thought I'd be saying this, but yeah, welcome to my channel. It's my first vlog. Why have I taken this long? I don't even know. So I don't know what I'm doing, but as my good friend Blinky says, we are just winging it. And today is the 28th of October 2021. It's 4 a.m. Why am I up at 4 a.m? Because last time I got left on my flight and I'm not doing that again. So I'm taking a 5-day trip to Malindi with Jumbo Jet. I'll be shooting for them, but I want to take you guys through it and show you how I shoot, why I shoot a certain way, my settings and everything nice. So stay tuned. Hopefully you have fun. As I have fun, I'll try and share every good vibe, every good vibration, and yeah, enjoy yourself. It's going to be a wonderful time. Yes sir. Hey guys, so we've landed in Malindi. Yes, we are at Malindi Dream Garden. Yeah, so we've come here for an assignment with Jumbo Jet. So yeah, I thought I should start with a vlog and my vlog. So it's the first time doing this. And yeah, as I was taking the plane and just reminiscing and thinking, what is this vlog going to be about? Like, what are all creatives looking for? I think all creatives are looking to get booked. Everyone is looking to get a job, to get the next job. So I figured, why not? Why not talk about that? Why not talk about getting booked, getting busy, and yeah, just doing what you love. So I think the first one like has to be the first point, obviously, is you have to know what you're doing. So that means doing research. So whether you're a videographer, whether you're a stylist, whatever you do, you have to know what you're doing. So, and in the world that we live in, the internet world, everything is free, information is free, and paid courses are cheap. So there's Skillshare, there's all these things, there's YouTube. As in, you can search anything for free and you'll get it. So if you're looking for information out there, you're going to find it. So yeah, I guess that's the first thing, because a person like me, yes, I'm a photographer. I started as a photographer. I moved to become a videographer. So I'm predominantly a videographer. And I'd say, well, 90% of the information I have in my head is from YouTube about shooting, and the rest is from learning from creatives, fellow creatives on the ground, and myself, teaching myself. Do a lot of research, know what you're doing, get the education, understand the rules like composition, frame rates, what do they mean, what are you shooting, such things, and also understanding what people like. That's part of the first point. See what the market likes, because it's one thing to be creative, but before you become a creative and you find your identity, you have to first know what people like, know what I mean? So if people like what you shoot, because you're shooting what people currently like, people will book you. And from there, you can find your own footprint, find your own style, and you move from there, and whatever transpires. So I just freshened up. I want to go for lunch, have lunch, and figure out the rest of the evening and the rest of the day. So throughout this trip, I'll be sharing points and pointers as I figure them out, because I don't know what I'm going to be saying. But anyway, like I said, we're just winging it, so stay tuned.
It's called Hell's Kitchen because down there temperatures are much higher. So it's like a bowl. On that is belly, that is hot as hell.
Hi guys, tuko na latecomer
Agial Toto
aliachwa na ndege akakaa airport 5 hours.
Nakwambia karibu nikuwe staff. Karibu nene kitchen niwasaidie kupika.
Hell's Kitchen. We are here watching the sunset. It's a nice vibe. We've been shooting kidogo, a few photos, a few videos. Yeah, hope you'll enjoy it. Tuko hapa for how many days? 5 days.
5 days. Today is day number 1.
Day number 1.
So excited. Sijui ameni-miss. Hata waambia lakini.
Imagine, she even came all this way for my vlog. She was like, you know what? I have to be there for that first vlog.
Come on.
It's going to be a good time.
Always.
in Malindi. We are from the Malindi Marine Park. Personally, it was beautiful. We did a bit of snorkeling here and there, and yeah, it just made me think about the second point. And the second point which I wanted to tell you, I think just being a man of your word. And for the ladies, being a lady of your word. And imagine it's as simple as doing what you said you would do. So if you tell a client that they're going to get their video on Tuesday, just make sure they get it on Tuesday. And I know sometimes it can be hard. There's things, there's KPLC, there's Safaricom, there's so many things that go wrong and could go wrong. But just ensure in the long run that it's something that you're trying to adhere to, like you're just trying to do things when you're supposed to do them, and just deliver on time. I guess that's the only thing, because my videographer ni kaa fundi wa nguo. But yeah, if you can do it, just do it, and it will take you such a long way, and it will help you in any career that you're doing, just being a person of your word. Yeah, I guess that's it. So we're about to go for a dhow ride, and it's going to be nice. It's going to be really nice. I'm really looking forward to it. And Aki, Malindi is beautiful. I know my vlog is not even supposed to be about the beauties and Nini and everything. It's just supposed to like just be good vibes and all that, but I can't help but share and tell you guys how beautiful this place is. Me, I'm in love.
Ha nacido el Redentor, de oriente salen de reyes para adorar al Dios niño, y una estrella le guiaba para seguir su camino.
Guys, let me tell you, this vlogging YouTubing thing is not easy. Well, it's been a busy couple of days. I've been trying to get a chance to record this, but it's been hard. So we are at the Voi Safari Lodge, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, we're here for a few days, a day or two, to shoot and work and create dope content. So yeah, and I've been thinking about the next point. And as I've been here, I've also been like meeting new people, meeting new creatives, and I'll keep tagging them if they're in this video. Yeah, and it's just brought me to my next point. It's networking and creating relationships with fellow creatives, you know. Like, yes, you can be an island, yes, you can be alone, yes, you can be the lone wolf that gets shit done, but I feel like you also need like creatives mostly, not even like networking with business people and people in different fields, which is also important, but networking with the creatives and understanding their stories and them understanding your story. And a fellow creative will call you and just tell you, oh, I can't make it to this job, just go get it, or just go and shoot. You go, you meet a person, you show them what you're doing, you show them your work, and they're like, oh, this is so beautiful. And I've gotten so many jobs off that, just knowing people, and also just people rubbing their energy off you. I don't know if that's a thing, because like the reason I'm doing this vlog is because I've been meeting creatives on these trips that we've been going, and I see them doing these things and they're telling me, yo, you could actually do this. And I felt challenged because iron sharpens iron, you know, like the people you stay with are going to determine the kind of person you are. So get out there, meet people, and see what comes out of it. Yeah. The next thing is actually very important. When you're starting out, it's important to be consistent, you know, to do what you're doing and to do it frequently. You know, like you have to be posting more aggressively, you have to be more out there, you have to let people see your work. People get scared because you want your work to be perfect and you want your work to look a certain way, and then there's those photographers that challenge you or those creatives that challenge you and you think, I want to be on their level, and you want to get there immediately, but there's no such thing. It's a constant development of learning yourself, learning your craft, and imagine ataka ni mazogodhanyo, weka tu, like let people see you, and people might like you for that, and your work might not be perfect, but it's emotional, it has your story to it, it's, you know, there's a lot of other things that go into a picture or a video other than it being perfect. So whatever you're doing, it doesn't have to be the most artsy thing or the most crazy, amazing looking thing. It can be cringe, but imagine it's your cringe thing. Yeah, the last point I think is you just need courage. You need courage because as you're taking this journey and as you're getting booked, imagine there'll come a time when you're doing something for the first time. Like there's always a first time to everything. Like when I started shooting music videos, someone asked me, have you shot music videos? And I told them, yes, I know how to shoot a music video. I haven't shot one, but I know how to shoot one, and I'll shoot it this way and this way and this way. And yeah, I mean, you need that extra edge. You need that extra courage to do things that you've not done and to do things different from everyone. Because everyone will have a certain way of doing things and you have to step out of the circle, yeah. You have to do you, imagine, and doing you takes a lot of courage because everyone else has been boxed in a community where you're supposed to behave a certain way, you're supposed to look a certain way, and as much as yes, there's a certain thing that is trending and all that, but be different. I think that has been it. If you like it, subscribe. I guess that's what people say. If you don't like it, also thank you for watching it and getting to this point. I hope you enjoy the vibes from here to beyond, and it has been me, your host, CJ, aka Kitile. And yeah, see you on the next one, whenever the next one is. Love you guys, take care, and be safe. Get shots, vaccinated shots, yes. And if you're not vaccinated, also wear a mask, stay safe, social distance, and love one another. Peace out.